Hello, we're at the first level, and in this level, I'm gonna ask you 15 questions. I hope you will answer all these questions perfectly. Don't worry, these questions are very basic and interesting. I hope you will answer them one by one. Are you ready?
Yeah, of course. I'm ready and I'm super excited.
Alright, let's start with your name. What's your name?
My name is Riyad.
What's your full name?
My full name is Khan Muhammad Imrul Qais Riyad. You can call me Riyad because it's my nickname.
How old are you?
I am 11 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Borishal.
Where are your hometown?
My hometown is Putuakali in Borishal, Bangladesh. It is a small and beautiful place. There are many trees and green fields. The people in my hometown are very friendly and kind.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What's your madrasa's name?
My madrasa's name, Rayhan International Madrasah, is a modern Islamic educational institution that combines religious and general education.
Which class are you in?
I am in class Hibs.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English
Why do you like English?
because it helps me communicate with people all over the world.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books and practice speaking English.
Do you like watching TV?
Yeah, I do. I like watching educational programs.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Muhammad Abu Said Mukarram Chaudhary.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
What is your dream?
My dream is to study at Al-Azhar University and become a good scholar.
Okay, thank you very much.
আর রায়হান ইন্টারন্যাশনাল মাদ্রাসা একটি আন্তর্জাতিক কোরআনিক শিক্ষা মিশন।